Hello, my dear friends. I'm Dr. Michael, and today I want to share something remarkable that could change your nights and transform your mornings forever. What if I told you that 3 simple foods eaten before bed can repair your vision, restore your memory, and sharpen your mind while you sleep? This isn't about expensive supplements or complicated treatments. These are natural foods that work with your body's overnight healing process to protect your brain and eyes from the damage that comes with aging. I've seen thousands of seniors regain mental clarity, improve their vision, and wake up feeling more alert just by making this simple change to their bedtime routine. So please, stay with me for the next few minutes. What you learn could give you back the sharp mind and clear vision you thought you'd lost forever. The hidden crisis affecting senior vision and memory. After age 60, your brain and eyes face daily attacks from something called oxidative stress. Think of it like rust forming inside your most precious organs. Every day, free radicals damage the delicate neurons in your brain and the sensitive tissues in your eyes. Over time, this damage accumulates, leading to memory problems, vision loss, and cognitive decline. But here's what most people don't realize. Your body has a built-in repair system that works while you sleep. During those precious hours of rest, your brain clears out toxins, organizes memories, and repairs damaged cells. Your eyes recover from daily strain and regenerate protective tissues. The key is giving your body the right nutrients at the right time to fuel this overnight healing process. Miracle food. Number 3. Almonds. The brain protectors. The third most powerful food for senior brain health is almonds. For thousands of years, almonds have been called the food of wisdom, and modern science proves why. These remarkable nuts are loaded with vitamin E, one of nature's most powerful antioxidants that acts like a protective shield around your brain cells. Here's what happens when you eat just 4 to 6 almonds before bed. The vitamin E coats your neurons, protecting them from oxidative damage that causes memory loss and cognitive decline. Research shows that seniors with adequate vitamin E intake have significantly lower rates of Alzheimer's disease and age-related memory problems. But almonds offer more than just vitamin E. They contain healthy monounsaturated fats that your brain needs to function properly. Remember, your brain is 60% fat, and feeding it the right kinds of fats keeps your neurons flexible and communication clear. Almonds are also rich in magnesium, a mineral that relaxes your nervous system and promotes deep, restorative sleep. When magnesium levels are balanced, you feel calm, your mind settles, and your brain can focus on its nighttime repair work. This is why eating almonds before bed helps you fall asleep easier and wake up more refreshed. The protein in almonds provides steady fuel for your brain's overnight processes, while the fiber helps stabilize blood sugar and prevent the energy crashes that leave you feeling foggy and forgetful. Miracle food number 2. Walnuts. The brain and vision healers. The second most powerful food looks exactly like what it heals. Have you ever noticed how a walnut looks like a miniature brain? Nature gave us this clue for a reason. Walnuts are among the most healing foods for both brain function and eye health. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the building blocks your brain needs to repair and strengthen neural connections. These healthy fats improve blood flow to your brain, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to support memory formation and cognitive function. But walnuts don't stop at brain health. They contain powerful antioxidants called polyphenols that protect your retina from age-related damage. They also provide lutein and zeaxanthin, compounds that act like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light and protecting your vision from macular degeneration. Here's something remarkable about walnuts. They naturally contain melatonin, the same compound your body produces to regulate sleep. Eating 7 to 8 walnut halves before bed actually improves your sleep quality, allowing your brain and eyes to undergo deeper repair. The combination of omega-3s, antioxidants, and natural melatonin makes walnuts the perfect bedtime food for seniors who want to protect their memory and preserve their vision. Many of my patients report clearer thinking, better focus, and less eye strain after adding walnuts to their evening routine. Miracle food number 1. Raisins, the vision restorers. The most powerful food for senior eye health might surprise you. Raisins, those humble dried grapes, are actually vision restoration powerhouses, packed with nutrients that specifically heal and protect your eyes. Raisins are loaded with antioxidants, particularly polyphenols that directly protect your retina from oxidative damage. These compounds fight the free radicals that cause cataracts, macular degeneration, and age-related vision loss. When you eat raisins before bed, these antioxidants go to work overnight, repairing damage and strengthening your eye tissues. But raisins offer something unique that makes them perfect for bedtime. They contain natural iron, which is essential for carrying oxygen in your blood. Your brain and eyes are hungry for oxygen, and without adequate iron, they can't function at their best. This leads to fatigue, poor focus, and blurry vision. The natural sugars in raisins provide gentle, steady fuel for your brain's overnight processes. Unlike processed sugars that cause energy spikes and crashes, the sugars in raisins are balanced with fiber and minerals, delivering sustained energy that supports memory consolidation and cognitive repair. Raisins also contain potassium and magnesium, minerals that help relax your nervous system and promote deeper sleep. This is crucial because the deepest stages of sleep are when your most important healing happens. Many seniors struggle with dry eyes, especially at night. Raisins naturally support tear production and help maintain proper eye moisture, reducing irritation and improving comfort. The science behind bedtime nutrition. Now, let me explain why timing matters so much. Your body operates on a natural rhythm called your circadian cycle. During the day, your body focuses on activity, movement, and dealing with daily stress. But at night, it shifts into repair mode. This is when your brain produces growth hormone, clears out metabolic waste, and consolidates memories from the day. Your eyes recover from light exposure, repair damaged tissues, and regenerate protective compounds. But this healing requires specific nutrients to work effectively. When you eat almonds, walnuts, and raisins before bed, you're providing your body with vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, minerals, and natural sugars at exactly the moment it needs them most. It's like giving a repair crew the perfect tools right before they start working. The magnesium in almonds calms your nervous system. The omega-3s in walnuts reduce inflammation. The iron in raisins boosts circulation. Together, they create the ideal environment for deep healing sleep. Your simple bedtime protocol. Here's your simple plan to start repairing your brain and eyes tonight. About 30 minutes before bed, eat this powerful combination: 4 to 6 almonds, 7 to 8 walnut halves, and a small handful of raisins. You can eat them separately or together. Some people like to soak the almonds overnight to make them easier to digest and remove the skin. Others prefer to mix all 3 foods together as a bedtime trail mix. The key is consistency, not perfection. Don't worry about exact measurements. Your handful of raisins might be slightly different from someone else's, and that's perfectly fine. The important thing is making this a nightly habit that your body can count on. What to expect and when. Many seniors ask me how quickly they'll see results. Everyone is different, but here's what most people experience. Within the first week, you'll likely notice better sleep quality. You'll fall asleep easier and wake up feeling more rested. After 2 to 3 weeks, mental clarity often improves. You'll find it easier to remember names, recall details, and focus on tasks. Many people report feeling less mental fog and more alert throughout the day. Vision improvements usually take longer, often 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use. You might notice your eyes feel less strained, especially after reading or computer work. Night driving may become more comfortable, and colors might appear more vibrant. The key is patience and consistency. Your body has been accumulating damage for years or even decades. Healing takes time, but it absolutely can happen when you give your body the right tools. Beyond the 3 foods. While almonds, walnuts, and raisins are powerful on their own, you can enhance their effects with good sleep habits. Keep your bedroom cool and dark. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bed. Consider gentle stretching or meditation to help your mind settle. Stay hydrated throughout the day, but reduce liquids close to bedtime to avoid sleep disruptions. If you take medications, check with your doctor about timing to ensure they don't interfere with sleep quality. The bigger picture. What I want you to understand is that your body is designed to heal itself when given the right support. These 3 simple foods work because they provide exactly what your brain and eyes need for overnight repair. They're not magic bullets, but they're powerful tools in your arsenal against aging. You don't need expensive supplements, complicated treatments, or risky procedures. Nature has provided everything you need in the form of whole foods that taste good, cost little, and work gently with your body's natural healing processes. Your new beginning. Starting tonight, you have the power to change your trajectory. Instead of accepting declining memory and failing vision as inevitable parts of aging, you can take action. These 3 foods represent hope, healing, and the possibility of better days ahead. Your family wants you to stay sharp, independent, and engaged in life. You deserve to maintain your mental clarity and visual acuity as you age. These simple bedtime foods can help make that happen. Remember, every night is a new opportunity for healing. Every small step you take toward better nutrition is an investment in your cognitive health and visual future. You have the power to age gracefully, maintain your independence, and enjoy life to the fullest. If this video has given you hope and practical tools for better health, please share it with someone you care about. Subscribe to our channel for more natural, science-based approaches to healthy aging. Your best years can still be ahead of you, starting with what you eat tonight. Thank you for watching, and here's to your brighter, clearer tomorrow.